Alright, here's an unboxing video of the Noctua NF-A12 industrial IPPC fan, industrial PPC fan. It's 200 or 2000 PMW, so it goes 2000 RPM. So on the back it's got the specs, so 2000 RPM, how much airflow it has, static pressure, and so forth. So I bought this one because we want more airflow and static pressure through our GPU radiator. I'm upgrading my PC during its midlife crisis, so we're installing a new graphics card and replacing the AIO and some other things. And so there's a series about that'll be coming out after this. Let's open this up. So this is a little bit different. It's instead of tan and brown and beige, it's brown and black. So this will be on the inside of the radiator, inside the case. You won't really see it anyway. It comes with 4 screws, and it's just a basic fan with no extra accessories. But the main thing I got it for is high static pressure and 2000 RPM, which gives you better airflow. So on the back, it's got the model number NF-A12 industrial 2000. It draws 0.1 amps and 1.2 watts, 12 volts DC. Let's look at those specs again. So the airflow is 121.8 meters cubed per hour. And the acoustical noise is 29.7. So it's a little bit noisier than some of the other Noctua fans. But it's going to be inside the case on the other side of a radiator. So it shouldn't really add that much noise to the system. I'm most interested in airflow. Alright, so we'll be installing that in a later series, like I said, my computer's midlife crisis.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Post a comment if you have any questions or ideas, and I'll try to respond. That's all for now, but more videos are coming, and if you want to see them, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification icon if you don't want to miss one. This is STScI signing out, and keep looking up.